Have you ever wondered how big companies manage so many moving parts? Today, we are demystifying the concept of outsourcing. At its core, outsourcing is simply the business practice of hiring an outside party to perform services or create goods that were traditionally done in-house. Companies often outsource to save on costs, improve efficiency, or gain access to specialized talent they do not have on their own payroll. From customer support and technical IT work to manufacturing and payroll, businesses outsource functions that aren't part of their core competitive advantage. While outsourcing offers cost savings and flexibility, keeping tasks in-house provides tighter control over quality and company culture. On average, companies report significant reductions in operational expenses by outsourcing non-core processes to specialized global providers. The golden rule of outsourcing is to delegate the tasks that distract you from your main mission, allowing you to focus on your unique value. Understanding how businesses operate helps you make better investment decisions. Subscribe to our channel for more money basics.